Hello everyone, welcome back to the Gold Technical Analysis session with Mukmik again. So, how are you doing? Yesterday's plans was hit and it was perfectly beautiful. Alright, so if you haven't seen the video from yesterday, I will give you a little recap on today's video and we will make a new plan together. Okay, so let's go straight to the charts. Here we go. So this is the exact path that we draw together yesterday and it went exactly like so. Wow, beautiful. So if you remember, I used my Fibonacci extension there. Alright, and this, is it this one? Maybe this swing low. Okay, what time was it? Nah, this one. Okay, so it was this swing that we used on yesterday's video, and I said, okay, we will need to wait for the classic divergence here, okay, and you need to check the RSI. If it's not following the price, then it is very interesting to make a sell order here. And look at that, the price did really went back down from the this box that I gave you. So if you enter at the lower border, that's like huge. Okay, so that's around like 1,800 points. Okay, beautiful. So let's clean it all up and let's make the plans for today. So for today's plan, it is going to be a selling plan as well because we are now at the supply zone in this daily time frame. Alright, so let me use my magnets to make a very precise borders for you guys, okay? And another interesting thing is that the candlestick from yesterday closed as the bearish reversal bar. So for today, the price could go further down, okay? To where? To this demand zone, if you remember that we talked about it yesterday. Alright, so however, there are two possibilities. So the first one is that this one is actually truly the reversal bar, so the price would continue to drop down at least to test this demand zone. However, there's another chance that the price could form this base again and then should back up like so. So if this is acting like a base for the demand zone pattern, we need to be careful, okay? However, I would say that since it is in the supply zone, there's more chance that the price will go down first, and what else if it's going to do, just let it be, okay? So that's for the daily time frame. For the 4 hours time frame, what is it? So we don't have any clear picture here in the 4 hours time frame. So okay, so in the 1 hour time frame, we kind of have a very clear picture. Okay, so the first one, and it is going to be our plans for today. This is the first picture that we have. So the swing low at this point is has already made the lower low than this one. So what we have here is the QM cell pattern, very familiar. So this is going to be our entry point. First plan, alright? First plan entry point at 14 point something, okay, to 1718. Okay, so that's the first plan for the QM cell pattern. However, is there another plan? I would say yes, because we have this low twice pattern, which is the gold behavior that we've got. Okay, so this one, low twice. Alright, so if we have this low twice pattern, how far could it go? So it is going to be the Fibonacci extension for the low twice, okay? Alright, so we only have one plan, one number for the low twice. So this plan B that we have is selling gold at 1727. Okay. However, if you want me to okay, can you give the rough range, the price range, I would say 1727 to 1730. Alright, so that's two of the plans that we've got for today. Okay, what about the buying plan? I'll say, okay, we have the demand zone here, but it is going to be a long way. So I would suggest you to focusing more on the selling side first, since we are in the supply zone in a very big time frame. Alright, so that's the plan for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something new today as well. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and please click the subscribe button for us. Thank you very much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.